Hello everyone! Welcome to the Ermakov channel. Today we have such a board with animals. Oh no! Where is all my animals gone? Can you help me find them? Let's go! Wow, what is beautiful musical bus! Let's play the music. Wow, nice! And let's see what inside. Oh, you see? Wow, it's honey. Let's put it here. Whoa, it's washing machine. Let's turn it on. I see the puzzle inside them. Let's turn it off and open it. Let's see. And it is... Wow, it's carrot. Nice, let's put it here. Wow, what is colorful boxes? Let's open this yellow box and see what inside. Only shapes. Maybe next puzzle in this box. Let's open. Again only shapes. Maybe puzzle in this box. You see? Wow, it's a fish. Let's put it here. And now we have colorful balls. Wow. Let's try to find next puzzle. Are you see next puzzle? Oh right, it's a grass. Let's put it here. And now we have a brown sorting crayon. Wow, let's open it and see what's inside. Wow, so many things. You see next puzzle. What is it? Wow, it's a mushroom. It's a mushroom. Let's put it here. And now we have beautiful slimes. Let's open this green slime. Maybe the next puzzle here? No, but we have a Spider-Man. Wow. Oh, so squishy. Let's close this slime and check next slime. Let's open. Wow, it's an Iron Man. And it's squishy too. Nice. Let's close it and check next slime. This slime is red. Let's open. Wow, you see? It's a bone. Nice. Let's put it here. Wow, what is beautiful eggs. Let's open this eggs. Maybe next puzzle here? No. Maybe next puzzle in the red egg. Again no. Maybe puzzle in the yellow egg. Let's open. Oh, what is it? Oh, wow, it's a millet. Let's put it here. And let's go find next puzzle. Now we have a mug. Mug from Lightning McQueen. Let's open and see what inside. Oh, you see? What is it? Oh, wow! It's a Rowan. Let's put it here. Wow, what is beautiful buckets with colorful balls. Let's check what inside this blue bucket. No. Maybe in the green bucket. Again, no. Let's check what inside this orange bucket. Maybe puzzle here. Wow, you see? What is it? Oh, it's nuts. Nice. Let's put it here. And let's go find next puzzle. And now we have the kitchen. Let's open this door and see what's inside. You see puzzle? No. Maybe puzzle in the microwave. Let's open. Oh, what is it? And it's a cheese. Nice. Let's put it here. And now we have a train. Wow! Choo-choo! Wow, you see? What is it? Oh, alright. It's a banana. Banana. Nice. Let's put it here. Wow! And now we have a glossary basket. Let's get a little mess. Wow! Are you seeing next puzzle? Oh yeah, it's a bamboo. Let's put bamboo here. Nice. Wow! And now we have animals. Now we need put animals in the right places. Let's find this animal. You see? Oh right. It's a bear. Let's put the bear here. And now we need to find this animal. You see? Oh yeah. It's a rabbit. Nice. Let's put rabbit here. Let's go find next animal. You see? You're right. It's a cat. Let's put cat here. Nice. And let's go find next animal. All right. It's a cow. Nice. Let's put it here. And now we need to find this animal. Alright, you find them. It's a hedgehog. Nice. Let's put it here. And let's go find next animal. You see? You're right. It's a dog. Let's put dog here. Dog with bone. Nice. And let's go find this animal. Oh yeah, it's a rooster. Nice. Let's put it here. And let's go find next animal. You see? Oh yeah, you're right. It's a bullfinch. Nice. Let's put it here. And let's go find this animal. You see? Yeah, nice. It's a squirrel. Let's put squirrel here. And let's go find this animal. You're right. It's a mouse. It's a mouse. Let's put it here. Mouse with cheese. And let's go find this animal. You're right. It's a monkey. Let's put it here. And let's go find last animal. Yeah, you're right. It's a panda. Nice. Let's put it here. Oh, we did it! Thanks for helping me. Subscribe to the channel and pat's like. Bye bye.